Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful Lincoln University, Pennsylvania, coming to you with the last phase of this project. We now have the washer and dryer reinstalled. The shelves are back up where they belong. The water lines have all been hooked up and they're ready to go. I have one thing left to do, and the way that this dryer vent is hooked in there goes down the back and connects in the back of the dryer, and it's sleeved up into the attic. And the person who did the sleeving in the attic did not connect that elbow with any type of fastener. It was just pressed on. So in the course of the guys, the remediation crew who pulled all this apart, and then our efforts to get it back together, that elbow's disconnected. So I'm gonna climb up in the attic. We're gonna get that secured back together with some screws and some tape, and then that's gonna be 100%. And they're back in business and ready to laundry again. You got the new floors down, and so that's underneath. And then of course we got the washing machine pan hooked up. And that's got a drain pipe down here on the side, which connects down all the way to the basement and drops into the French drain. So that if there's ever a slow leak or something sloshes out of the washer, then it's just going to catch into that washer pan and has a drain spot which flows up. It's not going to handle pressure, so if you were flowing water into that pan, the gravity drain's not going to keep up with the water pressure at 50 psi or 40 psi or whatever the house is at coming on off their well. But it will save you from the small drips and things. So we got the baseboard in and around, all the nail filling is done, and the closet doors are back on. So, and getting these guys back together so that they operate properly is always exciting. Seems like whoever took these apart may have bashed the track a little bit up here in the corner, but we were able to remedy that, get it back where it needs to be, and get the closet doors back hung so that they work. It looks like we do have to adjust the height maybe a little bit. The left one's just a little bit lower than the right, so we can work on that. But this project is done. So if you have a water damage problem, if something pops up with your house that is beyond what you want to try to tackle yourself, and you're looking for some expert help to guide you through that process, to solve that problem for you, to take away the headache and handle it, give our team a call. 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 and then extension 2 for new projects, and our office staff will be happy to assist you weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. There's nothing we don't do. Interiors, exteriors, roofing, siding, windows, doors, drywall, spackle paint, flooring, bathroom makeovers, kitchen makeovers, basement makeovers, all of the above, and everything in between. So if there's a problem that we can help you with around your home, please feel free to give our team a call. Of course, the fastest way to reach us is right here on Facebook. Click that contact us, message us button there at the top. Take a couple pictures of what's going on. Send those photos to us along with your contact details, and our staff will work with you to come up with some ballparks, talk about your target renovation budget for your home improvement or what the repairs are going to be, and work on taking care of the contracts and deposits and scheduling. So this has been a fun little project that we've been working on, and I hope you've enjoyed being on the journey with us. Do us a favor, like our page, follow our page, subscribe to us, click on the little notifications bell so you can find out when we go live and we post these videos, so you can keep up with all the fun and excitement. Maybe you get some ideas for some things that you want to do around your house, and at least know who you can trust and who you can recommend to your friends. We do appreciate all of your shout outs, the 5-star reviews that you've left for us as our raving fans. Whenever someone puts something up in the message boards or on Nextdoor saying, who do you recommend for this? You're always so faithful to jump in there and tag us and make sure that they get steered towards our Facebook page. So we really appreciate that. Thank you all so much. Remember, when we're done with it, you're going to be proud to say, it's not just done, it was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 built. We'll catch you guys on another video. Thanks for joining us in this process. Bye for now.